Students, hello, how are you? In today's class, we are going to discuss the questions or concept related to chapter 1 of Business Studies, class 11th. The first question is, if a person sells his domestic computer at a profit, will it be considered a business? Explain the characteristics of business which is being stressed above is in the said example. The first of all, if anything is sold for the domestic purpose, it's not considered as a business because these are not purpose of the resale. No selling of goods is takes place. Selling of good place takes place means only when the goods are purchased for the purpose for the sales and purchase of goods. Only in that case they are considered for the purpose of business, but in this case they are not considered as for the purpose because it is sale for the purpose of only for domestic, and that's now in that case you can characterize the business characters. Okay, the next one is Mr. Rajneesh sold his furniture. Same question. Is this a business activity? Mr. Rajneesh sold his furniture and bike on the OLX as he was shifting base to London. Is this a business activity? No, it is not a business activity. Which element of business is being referred? कौन से एलिमेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं हम? Now tell me, which element of business is being referred to here? The element which is discussed here, that the good should be sold or sale on the basis of, yes, resale purpose. A lawyer is working is a knowledge processing outsource KPO organization. What types of business activity is he performing? Yes, students. A lawyer is a working in a knowledge process outsourcing KPO organization. What type of economic activity is performing? किस टाइप की इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर रहा है? ही इज इन अ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. वेरी गुड. तीन एक्टिविटीज में हम डिवाइड करेंगे, बिजनेस, प्रोफेशन एंड एन एम्प्लॉयमेंट. ABC, question number 9. ABC Limited is planting a tree on the roadside. Which objective it is trying to achieve? कौन से ऑब्जेक्टिव को यहाँ पर अचीव किया जा रहा है? सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव. यस, विच ऑब्जेक्टिव? सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. All human beings fulfill their different needs by performing certain activities. Can you suggest and explain the activities undertaken by them? All human beings fulfill their different needs by performing certain activities. Can you suggest and explain activities taken by them? Yes, economic activities taken by them. They can be business, they can be profession, or they can be employment. Write four difference between sorry, this is not. Now T, next case studies. T, case studies होती हैं. Case studies which are given on the basis of case. Tea is mainly produced in Assam, while cotton is Gujarat and Maharashtra, but they are required for consumption in different parts of the country. How can this hindrance of place be removed? This hindrance of place can be removed by transportation. Also, under what activity will it be categorized? They can be categorized under the activity. Bolo. In which categories you can categorize it? It is a service. It is a service. So it is be categorized in the trade. It is categorized in the trade. Is that clear, students? Yes, very good, students. In one of the activities means for assisting trade and help in promotion of product by providing information to consumer. Business does not exist in isolation. It has to communicate with the others, and the activity help in making consumers aware and informed about the product of the company and inducing them to buy particular items. In one of the activities means to assisting trade and help in promotion of product by providing information to consumer. अब information किस में दी जाती है consumers को? Advertisement में. वैस business does not exist in isolation. It has communicate with others and activity help in making consumer aware and informed. तो स्टूडेंट ये किस में आता है? ये ऑक्सिलरीज टू ट्रेड में आता है. तो कौन सी एक्टिविटी के बारे में डिस्कस हो रहा है? एडवर्टीजमेंट में. पहले तो ये एक्टिविटी है कॉमर्स, और कॉमर्स में कौन सा पार्ट है? ट्रेड. What are those activities called which are meant for assisting trade? These are called auxiliaries to trade. Name and explain the categories into which communication service can be classified. Name and explain the categories into which communication services can be classified. The communication services can be classified into where? बताओ. Tertiaries? Yes. Next student, Rising Height Limited wants to expand and grow. For this, it needs funds to acquire land, building, machinery, etc. Also, since these assets cost a lot, they want the risk associated with them to be reduced. Identify the hindrance and explain how. देखिए when we talk about the hindrance, आइडेंटिफाई द हिंड्रेंस तो फाइनेंस हो गया, एंड एक्सप्लेन हाउ दे कैन बी रिमूव्ड. अब हिंड्रेंस को कैसे रिमूव कर सकते हैं? दिस हिंड्रेंस बाय टेकिंग द लोन्स. ओके, जब किसी को भी बैंकिंग में जाके फाइनेंसिंग में जाकर वो लोन के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड दे कैन एक्वायर द असेट्स. और बैंक से एक्वायर कर सकते हैं. कमर्शियल बैंक्स जो हैं इनको कैश क्रेडिट लोन्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स के उनको प्रोवाइड करता है. इन दिस वे दे कैन अरेंज द रेज द मनी. रमेश सेल्स विंटर वियर इन द मंथ ऑफ December, January and Feb, but he is not able to sell his complete stock. Identify the hindrance. How can be this resolved? अब he is not, if he is not or she is not able to resell the whole stock, then he need to be use warehouses for that. उसके लिए क्या रखना पड़ेगा? उसे warehouses रखना पड़ेगा. How can he resolve this hindrance? इस hindrance को कैसे रिमूव कर सकता है? Yes, he can resolve by using. Will this hindrance always occurs? Why? Yes, this hindrance always आएगा, because as we have already stated, there is a always difference between the consumption and the production of the goods, and whenever there is a time gap between them, it is not easy to produce the goods. That's why there is a need to resolve that by hindrance of time, by using warehousing. Rajni, a housewife, exchange utensils for old clothes on a regular basis. Is it a business, and why? No, it is not a business, because the purpose is not reselling. Students, in this way, now the next one is categorize the following into business, profession and employment. A farmer को किस में डालोगे स्टूडेंट्स? बिजनेस में, प्रोफेशन में, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट में. बिजनेस में. एडवोकेट प्रोफेशन, क्लर्क एम्प्लॉयमेंट, hawker selling toys for children, business. A doctor, profession. A person repairing scooter on roadside, that is also a business. Student, this is a question based on Son Papdi. You have learned lot of jokes on Son Papdi during the Deepavali season. Yes, Deepavali festivals. Nathulal prepares Son Papdi for customer during Diwali session every year. He prepared more Son Papdi than he could sell this year. He employed women and children also. Arid paid them less salary manufacturing on the packages. This way he generates profit for him. Do you think he is fully fulfilling the all objectives of business? No, students, he is not fulfilling the all objectives of this business, because one of the main objective of the business, what? Social objectives. So he is not fulfilling the social objective of the business. If not, which aspect of these objectives are not being fulfilled? Classify the following business into different types of industries. Students, now you have to classify crude oil business. Crude oil business is related to which? Tell me. जब हम क्रूड ऑयल कच्चा तेल निकालते हैं तो कौन से में आते हैं? बोलो यहाँ पे कौन सी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं? एक्सट्रैक्टिव, एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज, सिंथेटिकल, प्रोसेसिंग, और दिस इज हेयर. इसके लिए क्या आएगा हमारा? एनालिटिकल. Producing steel from iron ore. This is not air, this is ore. तो आयरन ओर को हम जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टील फ्रॉम आयरन ओर, विच वन इज दिस? दिस इज प्रोसेसिंग और एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. दिस इज एनालिटिकल. ओके. कॉस्मेटिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. Cosmetic manufacturing. Tell me. Processing. Yes. Or synthetic. This is synthetic. Synthetical. Producing computer. Computer is actually assembling process. Is that clear? Construction of dam. This is related to construction industries. Is that clear? Any doubt, students? In this way, students, we have discussed the different case studies. In tomorrow's videos, we also discuss the case studies related to chapter 1, that is nature and purpose. That is nature and purpose. Okay, students? Thank you, students. Thanks a lot.